My name's Eric. This is Great Wolf Forge. Today, we're going to fabricate a bending jig. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the garage, aka the garage, where we're going to make a jig today for bending horseshoe nails into hooks. This is my latest venture. I saw this on YouTube from Christ Centered Ironworks. Make sure you go give them a follow, or a sub, I should say. And we are going to make it today. So far, I've got some pieces cut out. Got a clamp, got the welder fired up. First piece, we got clamped on there. Second piece, I still need to cut out yet, but that's going to be it. We're just going to cut that straight across. Third piece is this right here. This is going to be the bend. This is going to be the, I don't know, diameter of the hook. This is 1/2 inch round stock. This is just scrap flat bar that I had around. Just need to clean that up a little. Right now we're going to tack this on, and then we're going to get to the rest. That's actually moved too far forward, so I am going to move it back a little bit, and then we're going to tack it on. Stay tuned for some welding action. That should hold it. Ugh, it's ugly. Whatever. That'll work. First piece attached. Ugly, but attached. There. This cannot be here. I need a chisel. You gonna be able to get that off? I hope so. This is not the best workbench for this at all. Grinder. What am I doing? I have a grinder right here. Seriously? That should work. Let's see. Yeah, that'll do just fine. This is the part they talk about where distance between the two is very important. They say you want it just a little bigger than the nail. And this is... There's so much weld slag on here. Oh my lord. I'm just gonna have to grind this a little more. Get that slag off of there. Much better. Okay, so distance. How's our weld slag on this? Alright, we got it off. Christ is averted. Alright, so we want this to be a little bigger. This is not flat. This is not flat at all. How about this one? Yeah, this one's flat. Okay. So we want it to be about, and I want the midpoint halfway. I want the middle of the circle here to line up with the end of this bar. This is all just so very hot. So we clamp this down now. Clamp it down now. I just want to move it just a little bit. That's perfect. It's perfect right there. To the welder. See if we can do a better job welding this time. Woo. No gloves. Need gloves. That's hot. I'm going to change the settings on this too a little bit. I think I have it kind of low. I'm going to go 7 and yeah. Oh, nice tack. One more. Way too high. That's good. One more. It's actually really good. Okay, I'm gonna put a tack over here too because I didn't get anything over here, I guess. Alright. Man, I really love welding. That looks really good. But I should not have welded there because I'm going to have to grind all that off now. When I put the next piece on that we're about to cut. Shit. It's okay. This is how we learn. See if it works. Yeah, cold metal. Ta-da! Hook. Very happy with that. Now I'm going to put another plate right here. Right here. So that after I'm done hooking, after I'm done bending it, I can drop it down. It'll hit this little plate that we're about to cut out after we grind that away. And then I can twist it while it's in there. That's what he did. That's what I'm going to do. That's what we're going to do. To the grinder. Again. Well, just from grinding that little bit away, I can tell you the penetration is excellent. It is just solid. It's just solid right there. Now we're gonna cut this thing off. Flatten that out. Oh, sorry. We're gonna cut this thing off. And then that's gonna go right next to it. Just gonna grind this off. Alright, so here's our little square, held by the world's rustiest pliers. That angle grinder just does such a good job. What a versatile tool. Man, I love it. Alright, unclamp this. That can go away. And we want this. Still hot. Alright, let's cool down, I think. I'm just gonna see where we want it, so that it's in the right spot. I already moved it. Is it hitting the actual clamp? Try to move that over. That'd be embarrassing. Yeah, I had it right this whole time, but stupid idiot kept hitting the clamp. Oh. Yep, sure was. Perfect. That's exactly where we want it. After 14 years. To the welder. Oh, that's way too high. A little bit more on the back and we'll be done. Alright. Terrible welds. Terrible welds. Okay. Put our hook in. Bendy bend. Oh, that's very hot. Drop it down. Perfect. Twist it. Pull it out. Oh, so hot. Why are my fingers here right now? Okay. That's perfect. Alright. Let's give you the close-up. Just ignore the welds, please. But this is basically it. Hook goes in there, bends, drops down, twist, pull out, done. Wow, really bad welds. But the stuff isn't moving, so I'm happy. Okay, ladies and gents, it's time for a real life demonstration. I'm just going to use gas for this because I'm not hauling the forge into the garage. But here's how it's going to work. I need this. So first obviously where's the camera? We flatten this head, right? Heat it up, pound it out, so it's nice. I'm not going to do that now. I'm just going to show you how the jig works on this part. Real life demo. Nail goes in. I'm just doing this cold, right? Because I'm not going to light the forge in the garage right now. Nail goes in, bend, still very hot. Okay, bent into hook shape. This front, I would heat up and I'd roll it over into a little rat tail. But once this is bent, I will clean this up too. Goes down into there. We're going to use the take our pliers, give it a twist. However many times, I'll just do 2. Double twist, and we pull it out. Straighten it up a little bit. Which I guess I can do right in here, huh? And voila! There's our twisted hanger, little hook. Isn't that sweet? I love it. I don't know if you can see the twist very well. It's there. It's not perfect, but it's there. Done. Papa. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Leave a like. If you want to make fun of my shoddy welding, leave a comment below. Check out my other videos. We got a couple knife projects going on right now, along with some tong making, bottle openers. We got a bunch of stuff on there. Until next time, have a great day. I'll see you in the next video.